Hey guys, it's time to do another showcase. Today I have a 12 by 16 inch canvas here. It has been completed and is sealed and ready to be added to my Etsy shop. I've brought it outdoors, and as you can see, it is just loaded down with some beautiful gold here. I really like this piece. I like these big chunky sails that we have going on here. I haven't come to a definite conclusion on what I'm going to title it, to be honest. I'm going to have to come up with something before I post this though, so if you have any suggestions, feel free to leave it in the comments. I'm pretty sure it's going to have gold within the title somewhere. I mean, it would have to with all this gold in there, right? But it is a beauty. This would look really good with a light shining on it, or located where light can shine on it all the time, because that's really going to make it pop. Hope you guys have enjoyed this showcase. I'm going to bid you farewell for today. Until I see you again, enjoy the rest of your day. Bye-bye.